Hey guys, really cool things I learned that time I moved to Costa Rica. I'm Tyler, this is Alejandro. Alejandro, today we have a big adventure. What are we doing?
Hey guys, nice to meet you. Today to learn welding.
Welding?
Yeah, it's the first class for my friend. You're ready?
Yeah, good. All right. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, it's super morning for us.
Hey Laura.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, so where do we work? Okay, today we learn about welding.
Yeah.
This is my new project.
Yeah.
We make a small home here for renting in the future.
Okay.
But today I try to learn welding.
Welding.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the first class for my friend.
Did I wear the right stuff?
Yeah, it's okay, no worries. It's Pavones, Costa Rica. We enjoy.
All right, welding it is. Really cool things I learned
Yeah, it's
that time I moved to Costa Rica.
Taylor, okay, we need everything for welding. We need the mask.
Yeah.
We need the glove. The glove. Yeah. This is for you. It's for your security, man.
Alejandro, welding.
Yeah, we're ready for welding.
Okay,
Okay, you need your mask.
got it.
Yeah, your glove.
Got it.
Okay, then today we try welding two metals.
Okay.
You know, 1, 2.
Okay.
We make,
Do we need this?
yeah, we need this when we put the first point.
Oh.
Okay, one moment.
Oh. Don't need my mask?
Yeah, no, one moment. Look, listen to me. This is the bars we use for welding. We change, put new one. No, it's safe. No problem. It's safe. You put this. You know, when you have a long time for welding, boom. No problem.
What is it?
It's safe. Okay. Now we welding here. When I welding, you look me, I move it. No?
In circles.
In circle.
Okay.
I move it in circle. You know? It's same. I start here. Coming slow. Same here. You look my hand. Slow.
Okay.
Circle.
With that or with this?
No, this don't use.
Okay.
It's only for example.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you put your mask.
Okay, hang on. Sunglasses too?
That's okay.
No.
No. Your mask and your glove.
Wait, for me, your glove.
No, it's yours.
It's me.
You use. Me is Costa Rica guy. No problem. Okay. Look here.
Can I look at it?
Look here.
Yeah.
You look it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Mm. So you're doing big circle first and then little circle?
Yeah. In the,
Like-
you know when I
You're going
make,
like-
I make.
you're going.
Yeah. You look the hole in this one.
Uh-huh.
In another circle, the second circle, I pull. You know? When I move it, I put maybe this, and another one I put in the hole in the middle. Boom.
Wow.
One large, one short. Okay, it's your moment.
Oh, mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You have my hand.
Uh-huh. What do I do?
You put your mask.
Open my mask.
Yeah, here. So just touch it. Touch it first. Okay. Okay. When you have this problem, you need to move it. You know.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. So are you pressing the lever?
Yeah.
You are?
No.
No, there's no pressing this.
No, nothing.
Nothing. Okay, it's just touch.
Yeah, touch. Only touch.
Okay, let go.
Slow. Slow. Okay, one moment.
Good job.
Woo. up, slow, slow, yeah, slow, yeah, woo, what, slow, slow,
There we go.
good job, man, look,
Yeah.
look this,
Yeah, looks good, huh?
it's very different, you know, 3 classes, professional welding, this is
Sweet.
very, very, very nice.
What's
New
that
style,
called?
it's the $200.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Does it come with
Everything, everything. Only you need to pay $10 more for this.
Where does that come from? Like Total Tools or
Yeah, total tour of Gladiator.
Gladiator?
Yeah.
And those are called Hilco Red.
Hilco Red Extra.
Extra.
Yeah.
That's fun. I like it.
It's fun, you know.
Huh?
You have big imagination.
Yeah.
You make whatever.
Yeah.
You make this. You make whatever.
That's so cool. Can I do a little more?
Yeah.
Yeah, like flipping. I want to do some more. That's fun. Alejandro, thank you so much, man. That was really not as easy as I thought. I thought it was just easy. You come in, but there's actual skill to what you do.
But this is your first class.
Yeah,
You know.
first class. Yeah.
When you have another one, you thinking different. You know. And third, it's better. You know. Next. He's the professional, man, really.
I agree.
Yeah, it's because you need to play with the level and the machine and the circles moving, you know,
Got it.
your hand.
I'll
You
work on
need the complete control in your hand,
Okay.
you know,
Yep.
because sometimes you remember the circle, but you don't remember the level,
Yeah.
you know. You put more in or more up.
Yeah. Well, thank you for showing me this. I know there's more in store. What do you think we can do next?
Yeah, and the next time we make, you learn about you open or you eat the sugar cane.
Sugar cane?
Yeah, this is good process because you know everybody have the sugar in the home. You need look the plant and the process for you make it.
Excellent. Next time on Really Cool Things I Learned, that time I moved to Costa Rica.